नैना मोरे
Ustad Rashid Khan was more than a musician. He was a force of nature, an extraordinary being who seemed to channel divinity every time he performed. When I think of him, I don't just hear music, I feel it in every corner of my soul. It's like his voice had this magical power to reach inside you to awaken emotions and thoughts you didn't even know existed. His songs weren't just performances, they were profound conversations with the soul, experiences that left you changed in ways you could never fully explain. Even now, it's hard to accept that he's gone. When he passed away last year, it felt like a part of Hindustani classical music went with him, leaving a void that seems impossible to fill. Yet, I remind myself, legends like him never truly leave us. His music still fills the air with its timeless beauty, his voice continues to stir emotions, and his legacy inspires countless artists and listeners. In a way, he is as present as ever, living on in the music he loved and shared with the world. Born into the illustrious Rampur Sahasan Gharana, Ustad Rashid Khan's journey to greatness was anything but smooth. As a young boy growing up in Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh, he struggled under the strict tutelage of his maternal grand-uncle, Ustad Nisar Hussain Khan. There were moments of rebellion, times when he resisted the rigors of practice. But as fate would have it, the resistance transformed into an unyielding passion. By the time he joined the ITC Sangeet Research Academy in Kolkata, it was clear to everyone he wasn't just learning music, he was becoming its very essence. What set Rashid Khan apart was the soul-stirring depth of his voice. It wasn't just about technical mastery. Though his intricate tans and command over ranges were nothing short of extraordinary, it was the emotion he infused into every note that made him incomparable. When he sang a khayal, you didn't just hear the rag, you felt its very essence come alive. His tumris were equally mesmerizing, weaving intricate stories that seemed to unfold right before your eyes. Even his ventures into Bollywood carried the same magic. Songs like Yaad Piya Ki Aaye and Aoge Jab Tum Ho Sajna became immortal because of the sheer depth of feeling he brought to them. But Ustad Rashid Khan's true brilliance lay in his ability to connect with everyone, transcending boundaries of age, culture, and musical preferences. He wasn't just a musician for the purists, he was a bridge between tradition and modernity. I still remember the way concert halls would overflow with people from all walks of life, students, professionals, elders, all united by their shared love for his music. Even Pandit Bhimsen Joshi once remarked, and I quote, "The future of Hindustani music rests safely in Rashid's singing." And how right he was. Rashid Khan didn't just carry the torch of his gharana, he illuminated new paths for the art form itself. Beyond being a performer, he was a mentor, a guide, and a visionary. At the ITC Sangeet Research Academy, he dedicated himself to nurturing young talents, passing on the rich traditions of his gharana to the next generation. Through initiatives like the Shakri Begum Memorial Trust and Sangeet Gram in Tripura, he created spaces where music could flourish and find new audiences. His contributions weren't just about leaving behind awards or recordings. He left behind a living, breathing legacy, a movement that continues to grow and thrive. For me, though, it's the intimate, fleeting moments that stay with me the most. The way he would close his eyes while singing as if communing with a higher power. The way his voice could soar like a bird reaching celestial heights and then dive into the deepest emotional depths, all within a single phrase. Listening to him was not just a musical experience, it was a journey into the heart of existence, a glimpse into the infinite. Those moments defy words and yet they linger, vivid and eternal. Even though he's no longer with us, his music remains a guiding light. It lives in the recordings we treasure, in the voices of his students, and in the hearts of all who had the privilege of hearing him perform. Ustad Rashid Khan may have departed from this world, but his songs continue to echo across time, reminding us of the eternal power of true art. His legacy is a testament to the idea that while life may be fleeting, the beauty we create can transcend it. As I reflect on his life and music, I am overwhelmed with gratitude. Gratitude for the unparalleled gift of his artistry, for the way he made us feel emotions we didn't know we had, and for the enduring legacy he built. Ustad Rashid Khan may no longer walk among us, but his voice remains a constant presence, finding us wherever we are, reminding us of the profound beauty of music and the human spirit, and for that, I will be forever in awe.